Hello beautiful people, welcome to another brand new episode of Straight from the Roots, where we get to give you natural home remedies for all your problems.
Another banger.
Alright, welcome back guys. Today I want to talk about acne. Acne is like you have this like pimple on your face. Sometimes it starts like pimple, you just have it, dark patches on your face. And for some people, it's something that they've been struggling for a very long time. They've used a lot of cosmetic products, they've used a lot of beauty products. Some of them, they've even gone as far as going for this face wash and things like that, just to make sure that they have a smooth face, But with all they've all tried is it doesn't really work, and I think it affects people's confidence, and that is why I'm very peculiar about this very topic, because you see, acne is not something you want to joke with, because no matter what you do, sometimes they reoccur, right? And the solution there is this nature, right? If you've tried a lot of beauty products, a lot of cosmetic products, you've done a lot of all the things I've mentioned, and they don't seem to be giving you the solution you're looking for, then I would advise you try this. And what I would advise you try is called the Carica papaya, pawpaw, unripe pawpaw, right? Now if you get the unripe pawpaw, what you just need to do is cut it, chop it like into small pieces. Unripe, mind you, it's unripe, right? Into small pieces. Then you soak it in water, then boil for about 15 minutes or 20 minutes thereabout. Then you drink the water with a spoon, like the tablespoon. You take like 3 or 4 tablespoons every day for the next 3 weeks, and I can guarantee you that acne you've been struggling with all the beauty products and everything, that acne is going to vanish. Now trust me, like I said, try it out. If you've tried a lot of beauty products and the acne seems to be coming back, I would advise you try this very method, and there's a lot of results that's already coming out, and there are people who have tried it, there are people who have recommended it too, and it's actually working for them. So I will advise you go ahead and try this very product. And if getting the unripe pawpaw for this remedy might be a little bit of a problem for you, probably because of your location, and maybe you live in an urbanized area where there's not much of this kind of trees, what you can do is you can actually click the link in my bio, in the description, where I'm going to actually leave an affiliate link where you can actually go and purchase the Carica papaya or pawpaw in tea bags. It's going to come in tea bag forms, and you can get up to about 40 pieces of it in a bag, and it's quite very easy to use. All you just need to do is soak it inside the water for about 5-10 minutes, and you drink it just like you drink a normal tea, and which is a better option, and it also gives you the same effects. If for any reason you're still looking for other solution to a lot of ailments that you're having, please make sure to check the playlist, Straight from the Root playlist. And I do hope that you actually subscribe and like this video, because that is the way that you encourage me to make more videos like this, and we all celebrate Mother Nature together. So I'll see you some other time. Bye bye.